There have been more analyst upgrades than downgrades during the month of October, despite the market volatility that we witnessed during the second half of the month of October as well. There are 290 stocks, which are tracked by at least 10 analysts each. Now, out of those, 77% of the stocks have seen target price upgrades during the previous month, while 18% stocks were downgraded and 5% stocks the target prices were left unchanged. Talking about the sectoral profile, all of the sectors were upgraded except for healthcare, which witnessed an overall downgrade of about 1% each in its target price. The biggest upgrade came in for the IT stocks, which saw a massive upgrade of 22% for the entire sector, followed by energy, which was upgraded to the tune of about 11 odd percent. And then you had industrials and financials, which are upgraded about 7 to 8% each, and then consumer staples also more than 6% upgrade coming in for those ones as well. Real estate as a pack witnessed an upgrade of about 5%, and utilities, communications, along with consumer discretionary and materials were upgraded by about 2 to 4% each. Talking about the stock upgrades, there's a lot of interesting names featuring in this list, starting off with IEX, which was the biggest upgrade of them all. More than 50% target price increase in the previous month itself, right from 437 to in excess of 660. That kind of target price upgrade we witnessed for IEX. Followed by IRB Infra and Avenue Supermarts, more than 40% increase in their target prices. And then interestingly, some of the mid-cap IT names featured in the list, the likes of Mindtree, L&T Infotech, as well as Persistent Systems, which witnessed an upgrade of more than 30% each. You had some other names from the Tata Group, the likes of Indian Hotels, Tata Motors, as well as Titan, which were upgraded by more than 30%. Lastly, you had United Spirits, which was also upgraded to the tune of about 31%. Talking about the stock downgrades, Rallis India was the one which saw a downgrade of about 11% in the previous month, followed by some small and mid-cap names like Just Dial, PNB Housing, as well as L&T Finance Holdings, which were downgraded by 7% each. Lastly, you had Mahanagar Gas, IDFC First Bank, and some of the pharma names like Biocon, Lupin, as well as Sanofi India, which are downgraded by about 6% each. And lastly, you also had Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, which was also downgraded to the tune of about 6%. But overall, a good month as far as analyst upgrades are concerned for some of the popular stocks.